In this video, I am showing you how to share your location in WhatsApp. So firstly, open your WhatsApp app and then go to any of the chats in which you want to share your location, and then click on this type box, and here you can see the attach button. Click on the attach button and then click on the location. Here you have to click on the continue to allow access to location. You can also allow the access to location, and then you can share live location or send your current location. So you can send any of thing. So let's see, I share live location, and then you can location allow access to location, and then click on the continue button, and here you can select the time frame in which you want to share live location. You can add comment here, and then click on the send button in the bottom right corner here, and now it is your live location is start sharing. So to stop sharing the live location, you can click on the stop sharing under this button. Click on the stop sharing, and it is saying that stop sharing live location. Click on the stop, and now it is stop sharing your location. So that's it, that how you can share your location in WhatsApp. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.